changes. And then fires a pass. Here comes Williams. Breakaway. Big time save by Varlamov. Wow. Is he good on those breakaways? Makes another save. Popped up in the air. Up the wing. There's Ovechkin has the puck down the slot. Pass shot. Oh! Wow! 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 What a save by Varlamov. Is he putting on a show? What a save that was. His best of the night. It looked like a sure goal set up by Ovechkin, and Varlamov with a beauty of a save. And it's still scoreless in our first period in Denver. Avs and Caps 0-0.
That big hit on their young defenseman.
As he absolutely cold-cocked Nikita Zadorov. A stuff attempt here. Score! Jay Beagle.
Hard work and determination is Jay Beagle's game, and it pays off against Varlamov. That's the goal they needed. The Caps fans, a lot of them here in Denver tonight, and they are up cheering on their favorite team. Jay Beagle, hustle behind the net, rips off the young defenseman and stuffs it short side. Their defensemen have had problems when they get the puck behind the net. There's a tuck past the left pad on the giveaway. Vigras makes the bad play behind the net, and it's ripped off by the Beagle.
Off waits. Johansson at the goal line. Oshie inside the diamond. Johansson stuffs. Ovechkin scores! Alex Ovechkin follows for 45.
Nice job by Kuzi replacing Nick Backstrom on that half wall, and it's a simple play. Go down low, stuff attempt, and Alex Ovechkin on the doorstep. Jams it home. 520 career goals for the grade 8. His 45th of the season, pulling away from the pack now in the NHL. Here it is. Kuznetsov, Nick Backstrom, down low to Mojo, the stuff, and it comes right across. Before big Erik Johnson can get a piece of Alex Ovechkin, he's wangled his stick around the defender right there. Just that little move of his stick. He's able to get his stick on the puck. 2-0 Caps on the power play.
John Carlson, he'll get into the flow. 3-on-3. Chimera winds and slap passes one through. Stan Gallia. Deflection. Score! Chimera with a redirect. 3-0 Caps.
The Caps are blowing it wide open. They didn't get the luck early on with the 4 pipes, but now they're getting some puck luck. And Varley looks tired now. He's just been seeing so much rubber. The Avalanche have less than double-digit shots on Holtby. This game now out of control for the Caps, for the good guys. Great play by the defensemen. The Caps defensemen have been so great this year, finding the high tip guy. And there it is, past Galiev and onto the stick of Jason Chimera. A nice tuck on the redirect.
Back to the point for Tyson Barrie. Soderberg down low. Broken up, shot, score! That did it! And for Jarome Iginla, that is his 20th goal of the season, marking his 17th year that he's done it. And his power play number 13 of the season.
And this building, Mike, rocking. Remember the last time the Avalanche played here, it was a 4-0 win for the Minnesota Wild. Now it's 3-0 Washington. They desperately needed a goal, and Jarome Iginla, his 13th power play goal, could not have come at a better time for this Avalanche hockey club. And this crowd was back in this hockey game.
1-1 the other way. Pass, Kuznetsov, trailer, shot, big save! Wow, oh, save again, rebound, oh, tipped into the corner.
Mike Richards hovering defensively for the Caps. Soderberg's backhander's blocked. Landeskog on a wrap, and a diving Holtby made the save there. A close chance for Colorado's captain.
Dumped into the corner in the Washington zone. Como, great hustle, got a man in front, shot, saved by Holtby, rebound, score! And the Avalanche are within 1.
Boy, there's no die in this hockey club, Mike. There is just no die. Gabe Landeskog We talked about Iginla getting his 20th. Well, Gabe Landeskog right there gets the 20th. We talked about the leaders coming up with a big play. That's Gabe Landeskog that scores for the Colorado Avalanche and completely changes the last 5:39 of this hockey game.
Great hustle by Beagle. Rams it off the boards. Help from Winnick, who'll golf it down. It'll go wide. No icing. Oshie will tap it home. TJ Oshie with 9.9 to go.
Great work by Jay Beagle behind the net, trapping that puck with his stick, making an excellent play. And the fans clad in red are standing for this excellent performance here tonight with the Capitals on the road. TJ's got his 25th goal of the season, and it's going to be all over for the Colorado Avalanche. Real nice win for the Caps. Watch this play along the wall. A little chop shot, and it's going to be icing, but Oshie's ahead of the play, and there's a little tap in before the defenseman can reach the puck.
1950 the time of the tally. Career best 25 for TJ.